In this video, let's take a look at computer vision. Computer vision is fundamentally the ability for any computer system to see as humans do, and further to understand and process this unstructured stream of information. This has three large distinct stages, namely acquisition, processing, and rendering. Computer vision, much like many other subjects we've been discussing, has been around for a long time. Some of the old applications are barcode readers, which we still use, OCRs. Recently, we see the Face IDs on our phones, many face recognition apps and games. So, there are a lot of applications which deal with image processing and general feature detection. So now let's get to the stages. The first stage is acquisition. So acquisition can be in the form of a video or can be in the form of an image. Now this mostly comes from cameras spread out throughout the world today. We have so many CCTVs. These cameras could be handheld devices or IoT devices. So there are so many different venues to collect this information. Now, generally speaking, the video is broken into a set of frames, and these frames are treated as images. And images are treated as array of numbers depending on the depth of the color in each of the pixel. So once you have a mathematical representation of the image, the second stage is the image processing. Methods such as edge detection, segmentation, classification, feature detection, and matching are used. Once you have the information about the image, then the next stage, which is rendering, depending upon the use case or application, the metadata about the image, the information which you just processed, is applied along with the high level algorithms to produce the output which you require. Now, some more new applications for computer vision are 3D screen mapping, object recognition, for example, face recognition, object tracking, motion recognition, automatic captioning, automatic video to language. Some of the general stream of applications are in augmented reality, autonomous cars, robots, and also image restoration. And this is just a limited set. Now let's go ahead and try one of the computer vision API from Microsoft Azure. They built a nice demo right on the landing page. So we are here right now. So what happens here is you analyze in picture. So you upload a picture. They also have a set of examples here. And once you do that, it analyzes the picture for you, and then it gives out the output in terms of description, tags, and many other categories of information. It also gives you the confidence level for each of these features. For example, so this image here, the description is train, platform, station, building, and so many more. And then the tags, it gives you the confidence of train, confidence 0.99, that's very good. Platform, confidence 0.9955. All right, let's go try this now. I'm going to upload a picture. This is one of the pictures I've used in the video. There you go. Now you see that it has analyzed and it throws back a response. It says road, outdoor car, driving, mountain grass, so on. And if you look at the road, the confidence is 0.999295. It's really good. And then it gives the name tree. So you have a tree here. The confidence is 0.9984. That's also really good. And then there's a car. Confidence is 0.96. That's also really good. So you get an idea what we're talking about. So there are many other categories of information which you can use and manipulate using this API. Now the next example is to read text in the images. They have a lot of examples here. So let's try a few of them. The first one is the closed one here. So it's very nicely reads closed. When one row closes, another opens. All you have to do is walk in. So this is a rather difficult image to read, but it has done a good job. Let's try some more. So let's read this one. And there you go. Keep calm and carry on. That's very good output accuracy for OCR here. The last one is the interesting one, which detects celebrities and landmarks. So this one is Satya Nadella. So he's a CEO of Microsoft. Fair enough to be here as an example. And this is the output from the API. So you see here's the categories people, and then the name is Satya. And they actually also give you output text. So it says Satya Nadella wearing a suit and a tie. It's pretty good with the confidence as well. All right, now I'm gonna upload a picture of my own, and there you go. I have uploaded a picture of Steve Jobs. There you go. It has come back as people portrait, and then the name is Steve Jobs. The confidence is pretty solid right about here, 0.9999. And then I come down here all the way in the description. The caption is Steve Jobs wearing glasses, and the confidence is also pretty good. So there you go. Now you have first-hand experience with the API, and you get a good understanding of what computer vision is. Computer vision is a challenging subject, and it borrows from many different fields to achieve its goals. So some of them are listed here. So it uses mathematical techniques for feature extraction like SIFT, SURF, ORB. It borrows heavily from machine learning algorithms for classification, so support vector machine, k-means, Markov, random fields, Bayesian approach. And of course, what's accelerating the adoption of computer vision is the deep learning methods. In the coming lectures, we will see what these deep learning methods are, and we will also see some applications in the coming sections.